Wow. This poor thing.
I drink milk.
Tonight, we're in the scariest fucking vehicle on the planet. Fastest car
work clothes,
ever.
At least.
Hey, I didn't even film you. We're on the road. We're off-roading now.
And they're still there. Look at them.
Where?
Right there. My
You
tools.
just left them. Oh my god, you're goofy. You're built in a different manner. You want me to put my foot over?
Yeah. Put your foot over. Alright. Got the brake?
Yep, I got it.
Alright, sick.
The e-brake doesn't work for reference, and I don't know. We could have just put it in gear and turned it off, but yeah. What the hell?
Oh yeah, the outer door handle doesn't work.
That's okay. We haven't shown the fire breathing.
No. We'll get to it.
Sit. You got it? You got it? You got it?
I got it.
Woo. This is a $1,300 4AG powered manual Corolla. I could smell the horsepower when you went by. Had all of it, man. Wow. He stole this out of, some say Phil stole it out of Takami's car. The blown up one.
The case is still ongoing, so I legally cannot speak on that.
Oh yes. You stole the engine, and then after you blew it up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the blown up one.
Yeah.
You rebuilt it. You put a body filler in the hole in the block.
Yeah. So this thing is going. This thing's going. We're replacing it with shiny parts. That should make
with shiny
noises.
parts or China parts?
Both.
Yeah. So much air coming through there.
Wow, look at that square hole.
Oh my god, that's terrible. It's probably an
but
even...
it's a square hole on here, probably.
Yeah, there's probably an even squarer hole over there.
Oh, they gave me new hardware, though. That's nice of them.
They're so kind. How much was it?
65 bucks.
Oh, that means it's gonna fit like garbage.
Probably. That's it. That's everything.
Good luck.
All right. I were putting tools in it, and they just stayed.
I see.
And mail.
This is something, I guess.
Old gloves. And paper towels.
This. I'm gonna get you something. You can't live like this. This is a mess. Oh, you poor thing. Oh my god. This harness is... Did you peel back some of the...
I mean, some of it I redid, like over the time that I owned it.
Why?
Because the battery wasn't properly melted or screwed down, and then it slid onto the distributor and contacted the metal and melted through the negative cable.
Nice.
Yeah.
So... Fucking... Ooh. What trans is this?
That's the NA trans. This is the Turbo 2 trans.
So this is the booty trans.
That's the booty trans.
This is the...
That's the Chad trans.
Which is not much bigger.
No, but it's beefier.
I guess. I mean, like...
Good for...
It's like exactly... It's like the size of a 71C.
I mean, it's good for about 400.
Yeah, it's about what a 71C is. This poor thing.
Interior is still good, though.
Is this the intercooler that came with the swap kit?
Yeah, it's the intercooler.
And that's your old header.
Yes.
Like, what is that, Racing Beat?
Racing Beat, yep.
Yes.
I gotta get rid of that. I gotta get rid of a lot of stuff.
Sell it all.
I gotta
List it.
move all these to my apartment.
These?
This tower of lean and tire.
What, is there wheels to these?
Well, these are the winter wheels for the Speed, and those are the summer wheels for the FC.
These nice fellas. I know what these are. I know what lives in these. I love that steering wheel.
Miserable crustiness.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Are you gonna turn it on right now?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, let me do one last tool check. Make sure I didn't leave anything in the bay. I have done that before.
We'll get to hear it on the road.
Yeah. It's a little different.
Huh?
Just like a little.
Oh no, I hear it. It'll wake up above 4. All right, new intake. Let's hear it. So much smoother. Still kind of muffled, but
Yeah.
does it feel quicker? It's probably not.
Up high, maybe like towards like the very, very top. Maybe.
Maybe.
I've got to give it a couple more tries before I say anything definitive.
Yeah, probably not.
Probably not. Probably just sounds cooler.
Yeah, it does sound cooler. Can't see shit. It's dark as fuck. I'm in the woods. That sounds way better. Oh yeah. Dude, this thing sounds way better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
If
If you're chasing.
up front, I would not want to run these.
Yeah.
And it gets. I'm sure it's a lot darker up there.
Oh my
than
god,
here.
yeah. I mean, the thing is, with it being a lot darker and like when you're running toge on the back roads, it's like I think you can run an LED in the back roads and not like an LED. It kind of gets soaked up by halogen lights, like traditional lights.
Yeah.
It kind of gets like I feel like it gets soaked up, you know, like an LED just gets soaked up by other cars' headlights and like overhead lights.
Yeah.
But on the back roads it's okay. But also I do like having a halogen fog light, like on my Z. It's why I put a halogen fog light. Is the LEDs do not reflect as nice as the halogens, so they don't bounce around as much and fill in the little like dark areas. That's why I have I have like nice LED headlights, and then I have my hella fog lights. And dude, I was on the mountain. It was literally perfect. All right, what have we done? We installed an intake on a Corolla with 321,000 miles with a 4AG. This thing's a weird car. I didn't even know this existed until.
Deer.
What deer? I don't see a deer.
Hold on.
It's really not a deer. Oh my god. Oh, was that
F-150
That was
horn.
F-150. Oh yeah, it's got an F-150 horn too.
It's not the stock horn though.
Why are you honking at this person?
I was showing off the horn.
Oh my god. They're gonna be like, ah, why are you honking at me?
Nah, they'll be fine.
I wonder if they notice the difference in horns.
I could do both at the same time.
You can alternate between the two. Oh my god, this is stupid.